In today's video, I'm gonna share the best keto granola recipe. So first, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a large knife, chop your nuts and seeds, including walnuts, hazelnuts, pecans, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Alternatively, you can use a food processor. Chop 1 cup of walnuts. Add all the chopped nuts and seeds to a bowl. 1/3 of a cup of pecans. 1 cup of hazelnuts. Then add 1/3 of a cup or 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/3 of a cup or 4 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1/3 of a cup or 4 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1½ cups or 90 grams of desiccated coconut, 1/3 of a cup or 3 tablespoons of crunchy almond butter. Then add 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of erythritol. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 egg whites. And add 1/4 of a cup of frozen raspberries. Mix everything together. Mix with a spoon until well combined. Prepare a medium-sized baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then cover the surface with granola mixture, firmly pressing until you have flat surface. Then place it in the oven and bake it for around 20 minutes until golden brown. After finished, remove from the oven and let cool for around 30 minutes. Then cut through the middle and break into smaller pieces. And I would recommend storing it in airtight glass containers. And when eating it, I recommend you to add some more berries and almond milk or yogurt, however you prefer, and adding some more stevia.